Can you see that? It looks like vibhuti, isn't it? It doesn't feel like sand at all, guys. 1 hour itself I'm getting tumbal on all 2 hours na. I don't know what will happen to me. Guys, if you're watching this video to know how to use this and do sadhana, this video is not for you guys. I'm just testing this product out. I'm gonna apply and see how my skin feels after that. Hi guys, today in this video we're gonna put this Thaai Mann to test to see if it's actually the world's #1 skincare product. So recently on YouTube I saw a video of Sadhguruji. So the thumbnail of the video said this is the world's #1 skincare and this has a lot of skin benefiting ingredients in them. So, and Sadhguru went on saying that if you apply this and do your yoga practices, you will get a lot of benefit for your health and well-being. So yeah, I'm gonna put this to test to see if it's the world's #1 skincare product. After watching this video, I was so much excited and straightly went to Isha Life's website and I ordered a few items along with the Thaai Mann. So one of them is Isha Life's tooth powder. I really like this. I truly like this. And I've been using tooth powder for the past 2 years. I never went back to toothpaste, and it has traditional herbs like neem, stone powder, clove oil, menthol, haritaki, tulsi and camphor. So this is basically muligai parpodi, which means herbal tooth powder. So along with it I also bought a bamboo brush. This is the first time I'm using a bamboo brush. I'm never going back to the plastic brushes. So moving on to the main product, I bought the Thaai Mann, Isha Life's Thaai Mann. I also bought a copper bowl to mix my face packs. I'll put a picture of that. So this is the packaging of the Thaai Mann. It came in this paper packaging. So let me read you the application of this product. Mix Thaai Mann with a sufficient water to form a paste of desired consistency and apply. The best way to use the Thaai Mann is to apply to your entire body and do your sadhana. After completing your sadhana, that is your yoga practices, shower without using any soap. Do not apply any cream, oil or other body products for at least 2 to 3 hours after shower. This allows the body to breathe, and this is what exactly Sadhguruji told in their YouTube video. In case the sadhana time is very limited, before sadhana it can be applied on the soles of the feet. So basically on all your chakra points, 7 chakra points. If you don't have time, you can apply it on the chakra points and do your practice. So it is recommended that a minimum application of a Thaai Mann can be done from head to toe on at least 1 day in every moon cycle. So the main attraction of this Thaai Mann is that the actual Mann. So and that's why I bought this, because I have an oily skin and my skin loves the clay products like multani matti, Clolin clay or any clay of that sort. 50% of the ingredient is mud. It also has mug mean, the green gram, and it has raw camphor. It has vibhuti and shikakai. So basically all this natural and herbal ingredients in them. So let's try. Camphor aroma. Oh, there's a lot of smoke coming out, guys. It looks like ash. It's grey in color. Can you see that? It looks like vibhuti, isn't it? So this is how it looks like. So now let's mix the product. I'm not gonna mix the whole thing. I'm just gonna apply it onto my face and neck. That's it. You can either apply this on the 7 chakra points of your body, or you can apply this only on your forehead if you want. If you have time, if you wish, you can apply this on your entire face. I'm gonna do this on my entire face because I'm gonna testing this out to be the world's #1 skincare. I'm so excited. So let's try it. This is the handcrafted bowl that I was talking about, copper bowl I bought from Isha to mix my face packs. But today I'm not going to use this because you can't clearly see how it looks like. So I'm going to use this glass container. I'm going to take the required amount, maybe 2 teaspoons or maybe more than that. Maybe I'll add some more. Yeah, this would be more than enough. Wait. I don't want to waste time, and guys, it is precious. So you need to add water with it. You don't need to add rose water or any other fruit juices to it. You just need to add some water. because usually while mixing face packs we prefer to add a rose water, but this is not actually a face pack, but this is something that you apply to your body so that your skin will become better. Instruction did not say it has to be a thick or thin consistency. It says form a paste of desired consistency, so I think this would be right, the pouring consistency. Yeah, I think this is right for me, so I'm gonna apply this. I could feel green gram in it while touching it. Green gram smell is also there. You know, my mother used to tell that my great grandparents used to take bath with mud in sand. So during those days there were no soaps or body washes, so what they do is they go to the riverside and they apply sand all over on the body and sit under the sun, and after that they will take bath in the river. So this is what my mother told me. The smell of camphor is right here in my throat. I inhaled it and it went through my throat and it gives that nice medicinal feel to it. It's really good for your health. It doesn't feel like sand at all, guys. I mean, like sand would be coarse. It doesn't feel like sand. I mean, it has sand, 50% of it is sand, but it doesn't feel like sand. It feels like very nice, smooth mousse. I love the consistency of it. Look at it. That very type of consistency. I'm gonna apply this on my throat because that's where my throat chakra is. You can apply this onto your entire body and do your sadhana if you know. I don't know yoga practices, so I'm not gonna do that. If I know, definitely I would have done. Oh my god, a lot of this is reminding. I would give this to my mother.
5 minutes later.
So now I have applied to my hands and on my face and on my neck. I will. These construction works. So I will let this sit on for 2 hours, and after 2 hours I'll meet you guys.
Meanwhile, one hour later.
It's been an hour since I applied this. This is totally dried up right now. As you can see, it's dried completely. And the first 20 minutes was really good because I add that camphor smell into my nose and it went and it gave such a soothing effect to my throat as well. I really love the smell of camphor. I really liked it going in through my throat and clearing it up. And after 20 minutes, the tiny little particles went into my nose and it gave me thummal vara aarambichichu. Achu naan fulla thumbittu irundhen. I'm going to take bath right now and be back.
75 years later.
Hi guys, I am back after taking a nice warm shower. I don't have anything on my skin right now. Can you see that glow? Can you see it has brightened my skin by taking away the dead skin cells? Green gram is very good in eliminating dead skin cells. It is an exfoliating ingredient. Shikakai is an antiseptic agent. It reduces the dark spot. It minimizes the dark spots. And camphor is antibacterial and antifungal. It also treats acne because it is antifungal. And if you experience pain because of pimples, then this is definitely good in treating them. Camphor also relieves the dry skin and itchiness. The last ingredient is vibhuti. I haven't used vibhuti, so I really can't tell you guys the benefits of it. Can you see my hands? It has also removed a little bit of tan on my skin. I went for a vacation 2 weeks back and I was completely tanned. It has removed a bit of it. I made a mistake by leaving it till 1 hour. The instruction told to leave for 2 hours, but within 1 hour I got sneezing problem. தும்பிட்டே இருந்தேன், அது உள்ள போய் என்ன நோண்டி மூக்க நோண்டி தும்மல் வந்துட்டே இருந்துச்சு. So I stopped at 1 hour and I took bath. So if you are using it as a face pack, never exceed beyond 30 minutes. If you are doing yoga practices, if you're doing a sadhana, that's completely different. You can also apply it only on the 7 chakra points on your body. That's completely different. I am testing this as a skincare, okay? So exceeding to 1 hour is my mistake. Apart from that disadvantage, everything is an advantage. So I'm really going to use this once in 15 days and I'm not going to exceed more than 20 minutes. Set the timer according to your health issues, according to your body type. And the thumbal one mattuna disadvantage of this product because of the particle getting into my nose and the thumbal valiya velila vandite irundichu. So only that is a disadvantage. So now coming to the advantage of this product, it has really removed my tan. It made my skin smooth like a baby, and it also removed my blackheads and whiteheads, and it has eliminated my dull skin and it has brightened the skin. It has done everything what a face pack has to do. As I told you earlier, clay face masks are my best friend because I have an oily skin type, and this is something that I'm really satisfied. As a face and body mask, this Thaai Mann is a worth trying product. It is priced at rupees 100 for 100 gram of the product. Truly worth it. I would rate this product 4 stars out of 5. -1 because it did not suit my body type. I cannot leave it for 2 hours. 1 hour itself I am getting tumbal on all. 2 hours na. I don't know what will happen to me. If you are not someone who's prone to like tumbal, sneezing and all of that, you can definitely use it for 2 hours. For my body type, it didn't suit. That's why -1 star. So that's it guys. I hope you like this video. Until then, I will see you in my next amazing video. This is me, Diti, signing off. Bye bye. Take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.